Hello students, today in this video I will explain you the remaining question of exercise 2C. Question number 4th. Heading is divide and then verify your answer. First part, a square minus 15a plus 54 by a minus 6. So we have to divide a square minus 15a plus 54 by a minus 6. So here it is the two terms polynomial. How many terms are coming here? Two terms, 1 and 2. So it is binomial. So in order to divide any algebraic expression with binomial, what we have to do? We will write in this form. Here outside this division symbol we will write a minus 6. Inside we have to write a square minus 15a plus 54. Now in the next step what you have to do? With the help of this first term we have to make this one first number. So a, and here it is a square. So we have to multiply a with one number such that on multiplying these two we will get this a square. So in order to get a square we have to multiply this a with a only. So when we will do a multiply a, then we will get a square. So with the help of this a we can make a square by multiplying this a with a. So here we have written a, so here we have to write a. Now this a we have to multiply with both the terms, a minus 6 multiplied by a. So when we will multiply this a with both the terms a minus 6, then we will get a into a square, plus minus minus a into 6 will be 6a. So this is the answer which we are getting on multiplying. So what we have to do? This a square we have to write under this term. Like terms we have to write together. A square we will write here, minus 6a we have to write under this term. Now we have to subtract these two. In order to subtract, what you have to do? Column method we are using here. In order to subtract these two we have to change the sign. This 6a is negative, we will make it positive. A square, no sign is there, that means it is positive. So we have to change the sign. We have to make it minus sign. Now the sign of this a square is plus, the sign of this a square is minus. Earlier it was plus, but now we have changed, it is minus. A square is positive, a square is negative. Both are same thing, sign are opposite. So these two numbers will get cancelled. Now this 15a and 6a we have to solve. 15a is negative, 6 earlier it was negative, but now this 6 we have made it positive. So this is minus and this is plus, minus plus minus. So we will subtract these two. On subtracting these two we will get 9a, but we have to put the sign of greater number. Which one is greater, 15 or 6? 15 is greater number, 15 is having minus, so in the answer we will put minus sign. Now this plus 54 we will bring downside. Now in the next step what we have to do? As we had done here in the first step, a multiply a we had done to get this a square. Same work we have to do here also. This a multiply any one number, so that on multiplying these two we will get minus 9a. So in order to get minus 9a we have to multiply this a with minus 9. When we will multiply this a with minus 9, a multiply minus 9 will be minus 9a. So in order to get this minus 9a we have to multiply this a with minus 9. So here we have to write minus 9. Now next step, this minus 9 which we had written here, this minus 9 we have to multiply with both the terms as we had done here. A minus 6 multiply a we had done. In the same way we will do a minus 6 multiply minus 9 also. Minus also you have to take. So a minus 6 we have to write in the bracket and we have to multiply this a minus 6 with minus 9. Now first of all we will multiply the sign. Minus plus minus, 9 into a, 9a. Now minus and minus plus, 9 6 ja 54. So we are getting minus 9a plus 54. So here we will write minus 9a plus 54. Now we have to subtract these two with the help of column method. So we have to change the sign. This is plus 54. We will make it minus 54. This is minus 9a. Minus 9a will change into plus 9a. Now this 9 is having minus sign. This 9 is having plus sign. Both are same but sign are opposite. So we will cancel these two. This is plus 54 and this is minus 54. Plus and minus, minus. When you will subtract these two, 54 minus 54, answer will be 0. So we will cancel these two also. Why we will cancel these two? Because plus minus minus, on subtracting these two we will get 0. So that's why this plus 54 and minus 54 both are same thing, sign are opposite. Because of this opposite sign we have to cancel these. Now remainder is 0. So here we got remainder. Now this is the answer, but in the question it is written you have to verify also. So in order to verify, what you have to do for verification, what you have to do, you have to use the formula. Formula is dividend is equal to quotient into divisor plus remainder. This is the formula. In the remainder we have to write 0. So here we will write plus 0. Now here it is quotient multiply divisor. Quotient is the number which we are getting here in the answer. This is quotient into divisor. This is the divisor. So we have to multiply these two. Quotient multiply divisor. So in order to multiply these two, we have to write them in the bracket. Now we have to multiply these two bracket first. In order to multiply these two bracket, in the previous exercise, horizontal and column method, both method I had explained you to do the multiplication of the algebraic expression. So here we will use column method or we can use horizontal method. It's your choice. We will use horizontal method. This a we have to multiply with full bracket. A multiply with a minus 6. In the same way we have to multiply this minus 9. First of all we will write minus 9 multiply with this full bracket. This plus 0 we will write as it is. Now a into a square, plus minus minus, a into 6, 6a. Now sign minus plus minus, 9 into a, 9a. Minus and minus plus, 9 6 ja 54 plus 0 as it is. Now a square, no other term is having a square, so we will write as it is. This is minus 6a and this is minus 9a. So minus and minus is plus, so we have to add them. On adding them we will get 15a, but we have to put the sign of greater number. Which one is greater? 9 is greater. 9 is having minus, so we will write minus sign. Plus 54 and plus 0 will be plus 54. Now all these three are unlike term. So this is the final answer. Now we will check whether this answer is coming same. What is this? This is the dividend. And what is dividend here? Dividend is this number which we are dividing. A square minus 15a plus 54. Here also a square minus 15a plus 54. So we are getting same number. That means our answer is correct. So verification is over. So like this we have to do question number 4th. Now all of you see question number 5th. First part. Divide and give the quotient and the remainder. So we have to divide. Question is 8m cube plus 8m square plus 5m plus 1 by 1 plus 2m. So what we will do? This is the binomial because here two terms are coming. So for binomial what we have to do? Outside this we have to write this 1 plus 2m, and inside we have to write 8m cube plus 8m square plus 4m plus 1. So here you have to remember one thing. First of all, we have to write in proper order. Proper order means first of all we will write the alphabet, then we will write number. This is 1 plus 2m. We will write it as 2m plus 1. Here we will write it as 2m plus 1. So first alphabet, then number we have to write. Now with the help of this 2m, we have to make 8m cube. So what do you have to do? We have to multiply 2m with one number. On multiplying that number, our answer should be 8m cube. So with which number we have to multiply? This is 2 and this is 8. In order to make 8, we have to multiply this 2 by 4. 2 4 ja 8. Now this is m, but here it is m power 3. In order to make this m power 3, we have to multiply this m with m square. M multiply m square. Here it is 1 power. This is only 1m. And this is m power 2. M power 2 means 2m. So 1m is here and 1m is 2m is here. On multiplying these two things, power will get added. Iski power 1. Here it is power 2. On multiplying these two, our answer will be m power 3. So m multiply m square we will do, then we will get m power 3. So what you had observed here, 2m we had multiplied with 4m square. So here we have to write 4m square. So this 2m multiply with 4m square, then answer will be 8m cube. But the thing is, this 4m square which we got here, we have to multiply this 4m square by full number. So here we will show in the rough one, 4m square we have to multiply with full 2m plus 1 term. Both the terms we have to multiply. So on multiplying these two, we will get 4 to the 8. M square into m. When we will do, this is m cube. Now here it is plus sign and inside also it is plus sign. Plus plus plus. 4 1 ja 4. M square, but here alphabet is not there. So this m square we will write as it is here. So on multiplying these two things, we are getting 8m cube. So 8m cube we have to write under this term because these are like term. Plus 4m square. This is 4m square. M square is coming. So this is the m square. So here we will write plus 4m square. Now with the help of column method, we have to subtract them. This is plus 4m, change the sign. This is plus 8m cube. Here also we will change the sign. Now these two things are exactly same. 8m cube and 8m cube. But sign are opposite. This is plus 8. This is minus 8. So in such case we have to cancel them. Why we will cancel them? Because this is plus 8 and this is minus 8. Plus minus minus. So 8 minus 8 answer will be 0. That's why we are cancelling them. Now this one we will solve. This is plus 8 and this is minus 4. Plus minus minus. So we will subtract them. On subtracting them we will get 8 minus 4, 4m square. But we have to put the sign of greater number. Which one is greater? Larger number. Larger is 8. 8 is plus. So here we have to put plus sign. Now remaining both terms we will bring down. Plus 4m plus 1. Now in the next step what you have to do? This is 2m. With the help of this 2m we have to make 4m square. With the help of this 2m we have to make 4m square. So what we will do? 2m multiply any number so that on multiplying them we will get 4m square. So what we have to do? This 2m we have to multiply with any number, and that on multiplying that number we should get plus 4m square. So 2m multiply which number we have to do, that we have to find, so that on multiplying them we will get 4m square. So in order to make 4 we have to multiply this 2 with 2. 2 2 ja 4. This is m. How many m are coming here? Only one m is there. Again 1 m we will take. M multiply m. 1m and 1m, it will become m power 2. Multiply we are doing. So m into m will be m power 2. So what you had done here? Here you had multiplied this 2m by 2m only. So this 2m we have to multiply with 2m. No sign we are taking. Sign also we have to write. here this is positive number and this is also positive number. So plus, and here also we will take plus 4m square. So this is plus 2m. So here it is compulsory to put the sign. You have to put plus sign. Why we will put plus sign? Why we are not putting minus sign? Because plus only we will get. So this is plus 2m. Now on writing this plus 2m, we have to multiply this plus 2m with full algebraic expression. 2m plus 1 we have to put in the bracket, then multiply sign. Which number we have to multiply? 2m. So what we have done, the number which we had written here, that number we have to multiply with both the terms. So here I am multiplying. 2 into 2 will be 4, m into m, m square. Now sign, this is plus and this is plus, 2m into 1 will be 2m. So here we are getting 4m square plus 2m. Now we have to change the sign. Sign we will change. This is plus 2m. We will take here minus sign. This is no sign is there, that means it is plus. Here we will take minus sign. Now both are same terms, but this is plus 1 and this is minus 1. So these two will get cancelled. Now here also we will check. This is plus 4 and this is minus 2. Earlier it was plus, but now it is minus. We had changed the sign. So plus 4 and minus 2, answer will be plus 2m. Rest of the term we will bring down. Again we will do same work. What is this first term? 2m, and here it is 2m. So this 2m we have to multiply by 1. When we will multiply with this 2m with 1, 2m into 1, answer will be this 2m we will get. So in order to get this 2m, we have to multiply this 2m with 1. So here you have to take 1. But I told you here it is compulsory that you have to put the sign. So which sign you have to put? You have to check the sign of these two numbers. This 2m is plus. This 2m is also plus. So plus and plus will become plus sign. 2m 1 ja 2m. Now this 1 we had written. This 1 we have to multiply with both the terms. And you know very well, whenever we will multiply any number with 1, answer will be same. So 2m plus 1 multiply with 1, answer will be 2m plus 1 only. So here we will write 2m plus 1. Now we have to change the sign. This is plus 1, we will change it to minus 1. This is plus 2m, we will change it to minus 2m. Both are same and sign are opposite. So these two will get cancelled. These two are also same and sign are opposite. These two also will get cancelled and remainder is 0. So this is the remainder and this is the question. So like this you have to do question number 5th. Question number 4th, 5th, all questions are same. So like this you have to do all the remaining part of question number 5th. Now all of you see question number 7th. First part. Question is divide 4x cube minus 10x square plus 24x minus 15 by x square minus 2x plus 5. So what we have to do? The algebraic expression which is written after by, that we have to write here in the beginning. In the beginning we will write x square minus 2x x square minus 2x plus 5. Inside we will write this first algebraic expression, 4x cube minus 10x square plus 24x minus 15. Now same work we will do as we have done in question number 4th and 5th. Same work. What you have to do? First term is x square here, and in the inside first term is 4x cube. So with the help of this x square, we have to make in the answer 4x cube. So x square multiply with which number we will do, so that our answer should be 4x cube. So here number is 1. 1 multiply 4 will be 4. X square multiply x when we will do, then we will get x power 3. So what we had done here, 1x square multiply with 4x we had done, then we got the answer 4x cube. So x square, here we will write 4x. And in order to check the sign of this 4x, what you will do, you have to check the sign of these two numbers. What is the sign of this x square? Plus sign. What is the sign of this 4x cube? Plus. So plus and plus is plus. So in the beginning no need to put the plus sign. So this is 4x only. Now what we have to do, this 4x we have to multiply with all the three terms. So x square minus 2x plus 5, all the three we have to multiply with 4x. So when we multiply this 4x with all the three, 4 1 ja, here it is 1, no number is given, that means 1. 4 1 ja 4. X into x square will be x power 3. Plus minus minus, 4 2 ja 8. X into x will be x square. Plus plus plus, 4 5 ja 20x as it is. So here we are getting the answer 4x cube minus 8x square plus 20x. So we have to write like terms together. 4x cube here we will write, minus 8x square we will write here, plus 20x we will write here. Now we have to subtract them. We will change the sign. Plus 20 will change to minus 20. Minus will change to plus. This 4x cube is not having any sign, so plus is there. We have to take minus. Now these are same and sign are opposite, so we will cancel them. This is minus 10 and this is plus 8. Minus plus minus, so we will subtract them. Answer will be 2x square. Now which sign we have to put? We have to put the sign of greater number. Which one is greater? 10 is greater. What is the sign of 10? Sign of 10 is minus. So in the answer also we will put minus sign. Now we will take these two terms. This is plus 24 and this is minus 20. Plus and minus you know very well, plus minus minus. So we will subtract them, 4x. Now we have to put the sign of greater number. Which is greater among these two? Plus is greater. So we have to take plus sign. Now this remaining term we will write down as it is. Now next step. Next step what we will do? With the help of this first term, we will make this first term. First of all you make the sign. This is plus sign and this is minus sign. Plus minus. So here in the answer we have to take minus. Plus minus minus. Now x square we have to multiply. In order to get the answer minus 2x square. X square multiply dash is equal to minus 2x square. So first of all what you have to do, we will make the sign. This is plus sign. Sign we had already made here. Sorry. Sign I had already explained you. This is plus and this is minus. Plus minus minus. Now we will make number. This is 1. 1 multiply 2 if we will do. 1 2 ja 2 we will get. Now x square and here it is x square. So x square multiply nothing we will take here. Why we will not take anything? Because x square we are already having here. So 1x square multiply 2 when we will do, then we will get 2x square. So what you had done here, 1x square multiply 2 you had done, so that our answer should be minus 2x square, and minus sign we had already taken. This is minus 2 only. This is minus 2. Plus minus minus. 1 into 2 2. X square as it is will be in the answer. So here we have to take minus 2. So 1x square, this is 1x square. 1x square multiply minus 2, answer will be minus 2x square. Now this minus 2 which we had written here, this minus 2 we have to multiply with full term. 1x square minus 2x plus 5 we have to multiply with minus 2. Minus sign also we will take. Minus plus minus. 2 1 ja 2. Alphabet we will write as it is. Minus minus plus. 2 2 ja 4. alphabet we will write as it is because here no alphabet is there. Minus plus minus 2 5 ja 10. So this final answer we will write here minus 2x square plus 4x minus 10. Now we have to change the sign. When we will change the sign, minus 10 will become plus 10, plus 4x will become minus 4x, and minus 2x square will become plus 2x square. Minus 2x square and plus 2x square will get cancelled. This is plus 4x and this is also minus 4x, plus we had changed. So these two are opposite sign. So these two also will get cancelled. Now this is minus 15 and this is plus 10. Minus plus minus. So on subtracting them we will get 5. But sign you have to put of greater number. Greater is 15. 15 is having minus sign. So minus 5 is the remainder. So remainder is minus 5 and quotient is 4x minus 2. So like this you have to do question number 7 first part. Now question number 4, 5th, 6th and 7. All the 4 questions are same. I had explained you the method how you have to solve these questions. So now rest of the questions you have to do in your fair notebook.